Hey everybody, it's Alex at Motoroso, and in this video we're going to take a close-up look at these new full replacement headlight assemblies from AlphaRex for the 6th generation 2021 and up Ford Bronco. We're also going to be showing you how easy they are to install and configure the configurable white or amber running lights on these things. They look awesome, and the light output performance is absolutely impressive. Now, the lights that come on the 6th generation Ford Bronco aren't too bad. The base headlights are still LED, but of course those upgraded xenon LED headlights on the top of the line models have that signature halo ring and are a real nice headlight for sure. But what you're going to get from the aftermarket, as usual, is a major step up in performance, style, and design, and we're going to show you why. When we went to SEMA, we found almost 60 Bronco builds, and nearly a quarter of them had these AlphaRex headlights installed because they are the go-to for anybody looking to step up the design, style, and performance of their headlights on a Bronco. Now, they're not just cool during the daytime when the activation light feature comes on or the configurable daytime running lights, but of course at night when it really matters, the light performance is incredibly noticeable. Now, I've had these installed on my Bronco for about 5 days, and at night the light is crisp, clean, and very evenly distributed. Not just throwing light further up the road with low and high beams, but also spreading more evenly out and giving me much better roadside visibility. The precision in these lights is even observable when you're shining against a wall. You'll notice off to the right-hand side, there's a little peak of light. Well, projecting against a wall, yes, it looks like a peak, but when you're driving along a road, that light is shining almost a high beam level of light off to the roadside on the right-hand side of the road so that you can see roadside hazards without shining bright lights in the eyes of oncoming drivers, which of course is annoying and dangerous to everybody. Now, of course, these lights are SAE and DOT certified, which means you're not going to have any problems with the law. These are legal upgrade, even though they're going to throw off a considerable amount more light. Now, the projectors inside are the AlphaRex patented Ice Cube 3D LED projectors. They literally look like diamonds to me when they're on, and they have this really cool 4-projector layout. Now, those LEDs are driven by chips, and chips matter a lot inside these assemblies. How much power can you get through the LEDs has a lot to do with how much light output you're going to end up getting. The low beams are powered by the Philips Osram LED chip, which is one of the higher end tier 1 supplier level chips you would find in some of the highest end automotive manufacturers in the world. The high beam is driven by the AlphaRex Lux LED chip, and that is because they have a very high demand for the amount of power they need to get to those projectors, something you're not going to find in OEM headlights. And the result is 2100 lumens of light coming off the low beams and another 2600 lumens of light coming off the high beams for nearly 5000 lumens per headlight assembly, almost 10,000 total. That is a lot more than you're going to find from any other SAE headlights from a factory. In addition to that increase in performance from the light output, these also have some fantastic style and design features, starting with the fact that they've got that signature Bronco halo and that daytime running light bar. But in addition to just having those, they're also configurable. You can set them up to be all white, all amber. You can set it up with an amber halo and a white DRL bar, or flip that for a white halo and an amber DRL bar. And that is a very easy configuration. You're going to want to do that during the installation process, and we'll show you how to do it. Now, in addition to the halo and the DRL bar, this also has the sequential turn signal on that DRL bar, which just gives it a little extra touch of class and a little bit of setting yourself apart from the pack. Now, of course, due to SAE and DOT regulation, the turn signal is always amber. That is not configurable. The other thing that makes these AlphaRex lights unique is their signature activation feature, which is a sequential light sequence that occurs when the vehicle is powered up. And that just lets everybody else know that this is not just any old Bronco and it's a nice little touch, and it was a huge hit at SEMA. And lastly, AlphaRex offers these headlight assemblies in 2 configurations. Their standard black and the Alpha Black. Now, these are the standard black, and the way that that looks is that the DRL bar and the halo ring have kind of a smoked look to them, almost a graphite look, and they're visible when the vehicle is off. On the Alpha Black, the bar and the ring are essentially murdered out. Those are blacked down as much as possible, making the whole assembly look much more stealth. It's a subtle difference, but it is a difference, and it's obviously just personal preference. We opted for the Alpha Black on our Bronco. All right, if you're ready to buy a set of these AlphaRex headlights, we'll put a link to those right here and links in the description. Those will take you over to Motoroso.com, where you can reach us on live chat or call us toll free at 833-MOTOROSO. We'd love to help you with your Bronco build. And if you're looking to really step up your lighting game, check out the Baja Designs XL Linkable roof bar. We'll put a link to that video right over here. That is an auxiliary light that ties into your OEM auxiliary switches and throws off a massive 30,000 lumens of light, much needed for some serious off-road adventures. Thanks for watching.